QUBIC is getting ready to pump, guys. In this video, we're going to talk about the QUBIC price action. What happened recently? Things you need to pay attention. Some amazing behavior that you see on QUBIC that you don't see on the other crypto filthy market. In this video, we're going to focus on QUBIC, sir. Make sure to click the like, subscribe to the channel. If you're watching on X, retweet. Let's send QUBIC, man. It's getting ready. Let's go. Look, first of all, daily chart, okay? We have in a bull pennant, okay? Again, not confirmed yet, didn't broke out yet, but this looks sexy to me. Look at this bullish pennant here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles consolidating sideways, digesting the move. You had a beautiful move. This is QUBIC is one of the only coins in my radar, and my radar is massive, okay? I watch tons of coins that broke out and didn't came down, back down to the retest, okay? Didn't came back and chop and ruin the breakout. That shows you alpha. That show you power. That show you QUBIC is a daddy. Smash the like. Smash the like for the strength of QUBIC, sir. Let's send it, sir. Now look. Let's look on the moving averages here. All right. The daily chart, we just had a golden cross. Okay, this is good. QUBIC is moving into a bull market again. Okay. It was in a bearish market. You can see that was a death cross here back in February. Obviously, you know, if you've been holding it, it went down a lot. You don't want to hold cryptos, man. That's the thing. You don't want to hold them. You want to watch them. The ones you like, you buy them when they break into an uptrend. That's it. You don't want to be in this crap, okay? This is crap. You don't want to be here, okay? All coins collapsed, okay? All coins. You don't want to be here. Now you want to be in QUBIC again. You want to be in QUBIC on the break above 1.7 or 1.8. That was the entry. Now it offers a continuation trade. Again, continuation trade, that means you had a first move up and the trend is up now, okay? So a continuation trade, that means you buy the breakout of the bull flag. By the way, if you want to get all my trade alerts, market updates, exclusive trade alerts, general support, if you want to go elite VIP as well, you're going to have a phone call with me and my partner, man. We're going to send your account to the moon. Join elite VIP or VIP now. Link in the bio now. Now, look, let's zoom in now. Why I'm bullish on QUBIC now, man, today? Man, this is bullish. Look at QUBIC, okay? Watch this pattern here. Watch this pattern here. Look at Bitcoin, the mega scam, okay? Look what Bitcoin is doing, okay? In the last couple of hours, it dropped Bitcoin, yeah? Dropped 1%, scammy manipulation, all coins collapsed. All coins, man. All of them dropped 7, 5, 10%. Look at QUBIC. He's in his own world, man. It shows me that in its own world, again, we don't want to jinx it, okay? We don't want to jinx it, right? Let it pump peacefully, okay? Don't hype it too much because you're going to ruin the bull run, all right? But this thing, you can see this sideways squeeze here, kind of little inverse head and shoulder with a flat right shoulder here. That's the neckline. Oh boy, QUBIC need to break that level and hold above it and not coming back down, okay? You want to hold above that level and that off you go. Let's look on some targets, okay? Once it break, again, hopefully Bitcoin will not manipulate the market because remember, Bitcoin is the daddy. It is what it is. You have the Larry Finks and the Grayscale and the BlackRocks can manipulate this entire market on a click of a button, okay? They can do that at any moment. They can rug it all, okay? So remember that. And if you trade crypto, because you have so much risk when you trade crypto, especially altcoins, when you trade altcoins, you have insane amount of risks. Why? Because not only you have the risk of the sellers of the actual market shitcoin you trade, you also have the risk of the stupid Bitcoin above your head, like a dark cloud that you don't know when it's going to shake his bum and crash your coin. So really, if you're not using stops in this cycle, you're gonna go to the poorhouse very, very fast. The time of the last cycle that hodlers were printing is over, man. It's over, man. This is swing traders market and day traders market. You want to trade, you buy a breakout, you take profits, you move on. If it gives continuation, you continue. If you are in a successful trade like QUBIC, you leave a run or you don't close it, obviously, because it didn't violate the stops. But man, look at the chart, look at the coins. Unbelievable market, horrible bull market. You gotta minimize risk in this bull market. You gotta minimize risk in bull market. By the way, we continue with QUBIC. Make sure to get yourself a Bitunix account. I'm gonna drop it on the X, okay? Get Bitunix, man, now. If you trade from the US, Canada, UK, Australia, get Bitunix now, man. This is a limited spot here. You know, you have on July, this campaign, they give free iPhones, free USDT deposit on any deposit you make. Man, check it out, the best exchange by far for crypto. Ridiculously low trading fees. Really, stop trading on Coinbase, Crypto.com, Kraken. They're all scams, man. They take your money with high fees. They're just gonna take your money. You're gonna get broke as time goes by. Try Bitunix. It's free. Try it out and let me know how it is, okay? I'll drop the link below. Now, look, QUBIC, man, I'm bullish on QUBIC. Look, this is a very bullish behavior. Let's look on the momentum here. All right, again, hopefully Bitcoin will not manipulate the market and QUBIC will be able to pump, okay? Because this thing, if you look on this chart tells you a 90% I'm pumping. 90% I'm gonna pump, okay? Let's look on the stochastic, okay? Stochastic RSI, all right? We had a breakout of momentum, okay? Then it's forming this flag, momentum going down, but look, the market make higher lows, okay? Make higher lows as momentum going down. That's bullish, okay? That's kind of bullish to me. Now, we're looking for a cross up to tick back up, and then probably you're gonna get a breakout. Now, we might see it on the 12 hourly. This is the 12 hourly. You got a cross here, all right? 8 hourly going up. Now, again, if it will stay here and trigger the breakout today, you're gonna see it tomorrow on the cross, and you're gonna get momentum on QUBIC, and it's gonna fly. It's gonna fly. Let's look on this in the weekly, by the way. Yeah, we're crossing up. Man, QUBIC is bullish as fuck, okay? It will pump. Very, very high probability of a pump coming for QUBIC. Really, if you don't have QUBIC now, I think you're a clown. And yeah, maybe you should quit crypto. But anyway, if you like QUBIC, make sure to retweet, subscribe to the channel. And yeah, man, make sure to join our community, man, our VIP. I'll show you the QUBIC trade. What is the QUBIC trade? Look at this trade from July 19th. You can see the 19th of July. Buy the break above 181. Look at that, man. I'm still holding it. It's the only coin I'm holding since the 181. I have a few other big ones, but from the small caps, man, it's the only coin that I've been holding it for the last, couple of days that didn't hit my stops because Bitcoin is so volatile, man. And I'm surprised that QUBIC didn't stop out. It didn't came down to my stops. Look, that was the entry here. We had, it might not look to you a lot, but that's a 30% gain in 2 days. Bam, 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 hit all our targets. Most of targets. We left a runner. We bought more on the dip. We bought more here on the dip. All right, we bought it here and we added more on the breakout. So, sir, if you like to trade crypto, sir, I'm inviting you, man. This is a tough market. This is a very tough market cycle. Really, man. Man, I've been doing it for the last 8 years, all day. Day trade, shorting, longing, everything, man. Everything. We were swing trades, hodl, anything. Man, this market is not easy. This market cycle for altcoins, again, we're talking altcoins, is tough, is very tough, is brutal, man. It's brutal. Really, if you're new to crypto, you have no chance. You have no chance, okay? This market will cook you alive. Even if you, let's say you have now all your money in QUBIC and QUBIC doing a 10x, okay? Let's say that, right? You've been lucky as F whatever, you're still you're not gonna take your profit. You're not gonna take your profit, and you're gonna round trip all your profits back down 100%, man, as a newbie, because you're not aware of the danger. You're not aware of markets turning around. You're not aware, and you're not managing risk, and you're not taking profit. So look, I'm inviting you, man. Really, guys, join VIP. Do yourself a favor, join VIP. This is the last couple of months of the bull market. I believe Bitcoin will top out in September, October, November, somewhere around this time. And that's going to be it. That's going to be it. It will trigger a massive bloody bear market. Really, this is the time to print money. This is the time to print money. You have August now. July is over. You have August, maybe September, man. Maybe October if we're lucky. And that's going to be it, okay? You have maybe 3 months. You know, worst case, you have 1 month, maybe less. You never know. Right? Really, join VIP. Come print with us, man. We're gonna show you the way how to trade altcoins, how to rotate profit from profit. Do not hold them. Do not hold them when they top out. They're all going to top out. They're all rubbish. Gravity will pull them down, and they're all going down, man. Your job is to nail them on the way up, sell, and then rotate the capital, much more capital from before on after the profit to the next one that goes up, okay? And really, your job is to manage risk. By the way, if you trade with more than 6-digit, man, even 50K, more than 50K account, and you're serious about crypto trading, and you want to build a career in crypto trading and investing, you want to print money with it for life, man. For life, you want to make it a living, a cash cow, because crypto is a cash cow if you know what you're doing. Join Elite VIP, book a call with me. See you in the next video. Cheers.